Today, we're making something absolutely delicious. We're making shrimp fajita quesadilla. It is packed with bold flavor, cheesy, absolutely delicious. Before I show you guys how to make it, if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Like this video for me, please, if you enjoyed today's recipe, and let's dive in. All right, guys, I have 1 pound of large peeled and deveined shrimp here. You can use chicken to make this recipe. I am going to dice it into 3 pieces, something like this, but you don't have to do it one by one. You can just go ahead and cut them like this, okay? Just cut them not too small, maybe in half or in thirds. Next, I'm going to pat it dry to remove any moisture. If you want a nice sear to these, you have to pat it dry. Once you're done with that, you're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil or whatever oil you have in hand. Sprinkle it on there. Give it a mix just like this. Now this is my seasoning. I'm using the Island Vibe Cajun Crush seasoning, a little bit of lemon pepper, cumin, chili powder, okay? Now I'm going to sprinkle that seasoning all over the shrimp. Mix it up together. I can smell the cumin. It's going to add a nice flavor to our fajitas. Once you're done mixing it, it's time to cook the shrimp. Over medium-high heat skillet, I am going to drizzle some olive oil. Now I'm going to add in the shrimp. Now we're going to cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. It's smelling so good already. This is the most easiest recipe you'll ever make. Like so quick, easy, done. Okay, we're gonna let it cook for 2 minutes, then we'll flip it over, okay? It's time to flip the shrimp over. Oh, that looks good. Oh man, that looks really good, okay? Delish. Ooh, it smells good too, you guys. Definitely click the link down below to grab your Cajun seasoning, because the aroma, I already can tell is from the Cajun seasoning, because I can smell the thyme, the parsley, everything in here. You see how bomb this looks? Oh yeah. In about 1 minute, we'll remove it and set it aside so we can cook the bell peppers. All right, guys, it is time to remove my shrimp. Oh my goodness. It smells absolutely delicious in here. The color, everything is just on point. Now we're going to set that aside for now. In the same skillet, I'm going to drizzle a little bit more oil. I'm going in with some bell peppers, some red onions. We're going to cook this until they're nice and translucent and soft. This shouldn't take long, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to my bell peppers. You don't have to, honestly. It's just because I like a lot of flavors, so add that to it. You can reintroduce the shrimp back in here, just like this. Mix it up, give it a mix, and pretty much your shrimp is done, ready to go. Just like this. It's time to make the quesadilla. I have flour tortillas here. Also, I have some corn tortillas. Whichever you like, use it. So I'm going to place it to my medium-high heat skillet. Flip it over. I'm going to add my provolone cheese. However, you can use whatever cheese you like. Mozzarella, real Mexican cheese, it's up to you. Cheddar, it's up to you, honestly. I'm going to add the shrimp on top. Ooh, that looks good, you guys. Looks so flavorful. The color, the searing, sorry. Keep dropping it already. Don't overpack it. You want it to be nice and flat. Now I'm going to add another layer of the cheese on top. Okay, it's gonna be cheesy. Something like this. Then add the tortilla right on top. Flip it over carefully. Ooh. Flip it over, press it down so the cheese can melt. All right, that one is done. We're going to set it aside. And I'm going to do another one. Add my tortilla. Make it nice and hot. Flip it over. Add my cheese. Add the shrimp on top. Carefully. Spread it out. Make it nice and flat. So we can add the other tortilla on top. Now I'm going to add another layer of the cheese. You want it to be nice and cheesy. Ooh! Put that on top. Press it down. Once you flip it over, make sure you press it down so the cheese can actually stick to the shrimp, and then it's pretty much done. It's done. Once your cheese is melted, it's pretty much done. Okay? All right, my quesadillas are done. I'm going to use a pizza cutter to cut them. Ooh, that smells amazing. Now, I can cut them in fourth, or I don't know. But this is how they look, y'all. Absolutely delicious. As you can see, the inside packed with cheese and delicious, flavorful shrimp. Look at that. Cheesy, delicious. This one, I'm gonna cut it in fourth. It's saucy too. See? Saucy, delicious. Y'all see the inside? Delish. It's time for the taste test. Let's try it. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This, 10 out of 10. I know I didn't make any sauce for this, but you don't need any sauce. You really don't need any sauce. But if you would make any type of sauce, let me know down below what type of sauce you will make for this quesadilla. Like I said, you don't need a sauce really, but let me add some lime and give it another try. My God. If you're looking for an easy, simple weeknight recipe, this is it. 10 out of 10, absolutely delicious. Let me know down below what type of sauce you're gonna make with this. And don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new to my channel for more recipes like this one. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.